If you are frustrated with Google Chrome refusing to open on your Windows 11 or 10 PC, you are not alone. But don't worry, we have got the solution you need in this quick and straightforward tutorial. To fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometime a simple restart can resolve the issue. Step 2. Check Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and make sure there are no Chrome processes running. If you find any, end them and try reopening Chrome. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Open Chrome settings, go to Privacy and Security, and clear browsing data, including cached images and files and cookies. Step 4. Disable extensions. If Chrome opens in incognito mode, it might be due to problematic extension. Disable extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Step 5. Check for updates. Ensure Chrome is up to date. Go to Settings, then About Chrome to check for updates and install them if available. Step 6. Reset Chrome settings. In Chrome settings, navigate to Advanced, then restore settings to their original defaults to reset Chrome. Step 7. Run Chrome Cleanup Tool. Google provides a Chrome Cleanup tool to remove software that might be interfering with Chrome. Download and run it. Step 8. Reinstall Chrome. If none of the above steps work, uninstall Chrome, then download and reinstall it from the official website. Step 9. Check for malware. Perform a full system scan with a reliable antivirus program to check for malware or adware that might be affecting Chrome. Step 10. Disable hardware acceleration. In Chrome settings, under Advanced, disable hardware acceleration and restart Chrome. These steps should help resolve issues with Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 or 10.